light.
So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our content. And we're getting really close to 1,000. Any help would be great. Really appreciate it.
Hello again, everybody. I'm Scott.
I'm Melissa.
Welcome back to RV Rolling with MJ. Today we are in
Rolling Hills Campground, which is about a little less than a half an hour from Ottawa.
Ottawa, which is in the province of Ontario. So we have moved from Quebec to Ontario on our journey through Canada.
Yes.
Tell us a little about the campground.
Well, the campground is for 21 years and older, so no children at all allowed. But it's a small campground. It's very pretty. It's lots of hills, like I guess rolling hills. It's really, really pretty here. So there's actually a horse farm right across the way from us, and it's a nice small campground. Has a pool.
So forgive the background noise. The campground is right next to a major road, so every once in a while we'll hear a car go through.
Not all of them, not all the sites are on the road, and we didn't hear it all when we were sleeping, so it wasn't a problem, at least for us.
So the campground is 21 and over, which I don't know, it's a first for us.
Yes.
Not really sure why that is, but whatever. We don't have anybody under 21 unless, well, actually Disney's over 21.
Yeah.
And dog years, which
Yeah.
is in her 30s to 40s. You know, as far as things to do, there isn't a whole lot to do here except camp.
It's just good. It was a good spot for us to get to where we needed to go. We really wasn't using this as for activities or anything. So we made it to our next destination, which is near Ottawa, and the campground is called Rolling Hills Campground, and it's definitely rolling hills here. It looks very pretty, a lot of farms, I guess. This used to be recreation land, and when I booked a recreation land, and then, I don't know, a couple of months ago, I went to look them up on Google, and it said permanently closed, and I was like, oh my God, I made a reservation, and now it's closed, and I got to figure something out. But when I was searching, I found out that it's still here, but it changed ownership and it changed name. So everything is new, and they said everything is under construction. So when you come in through this gate, and they'll let you in. The office is over here where you check in. This is one loop. There's more. Yeah, this is the loop that we are on. But we're over there. So you see how you have a big grassy area. The only thing is we're right by the road of noise, but hopefully, I don't think we'll hear it with the AC on. So, it's very green, very pretty. They said they have a pool, but it's not ready yet. But it's not, it's really nice out right now, but not nice for me to go in the pool. I know, I'm from Florida, so I need it to be hot to go into that pool. Well, in this section, there's plenty of sites. Some are pull through. We have a back in. We have 50 amps, full hookup. with Site 111. Once it's all done, it's going to be really nice. We're staying here for 3 nights. There is a dump station, unless maybe some of them are not full hookups. So I'll show you that. You can bring your pets, obviously, because I have a pet. It's not, I don't think it's a big campground, but it's perfect for what we need. The people who I met were very, very nice and helpful, even directed us right to a campsite, and even helped with the backing in, which was, for me, that's a plus. I'm not really thrilled about the backing in, helping with Scott. It gets me nervous. I'm not sure if I'm telling him the right way. I think I'm getting better at it. So I like it if we have a pull through, but we didn't get one this time. There's a picnic table and a fire pit, but we don't need the fire pit. Nice big grassy area for Disney. We'll sit out here later. So he's the guy, Stuart, that was very nice. Guess that's where the garbage is, close by. The laundry is over here. Oh, plenty of machines. That looks like there's going to be some great view over there. Oop, and over here. I have a feeling that some people are here for a few months, based on what I'm seeing. Over there, this is probably the best view of the place, whatever this site is, with the trees in the background and the hills. Site 145, nice view. All these, 154. I don't know, I have a feeling it's tent sites. I'm guessing there's no driveway. Oh, there's the pool. I was wondering where the pool was. It's right over here. I'll show you. I think they said it's not finished yet, or not filled. Still working on that. Oh, it is filled, but it's not ready yet, she said. There's the pool.
So let's talk about the ratings. So when we review campsites, we go from 0 to 10, with 0 being the worst place we ever been and 10 being the best place we ever been. So with that said, Melissa, what are you going to give it?
I'm going to give it an 8 because it's really beautiful here. And the people were nice when we checked in, and the location of it was good as far as getting into Ottawa. And it was just like a really nice, really pretty. And I loved our site, even though we were on the road, because it was a nice big grass area over here. It was very nice. And what about you?
It's a tricky one because again we're 2 or 3 in, so they're all different, all shapes and sizes. But I'm going to give it a 7.5. The way to sum this up, it does what it's supposed to do, right? It's a campsite. It is clean. Staff is great. Well taken care of. It is 21 and over, so I guess that's one of the reasons you're not going to see amenities.
Right.
It's just basic.
I wanted to mention one thing. It was just changed names under new ownership, and they're in the process of renovating the place. So I don't know if they're going to be adding things, but there is some construction, no noise, but there's just stuff that they're doing here.
Yeah, I know they put new electrical in when we got here, so that's good. But it does what it does. It's in terms of accessibility, there is no public transportation, so for people like us who don't have a tow car and use other means, It's a little too far to scooter in or to e-bike in. There's no buses to take you in, so you do have to either have a car or a way to get to a rent-a-car place, which we did. We did scooter to a rent-a-car place, but then we had to rent a car
Or
to
you
get
can
in.
do Uber, but
Yeah.
we didn't do that.
So that's one of our factors is this proximity to things. It's not good in terms of if you don't have a vehicle to get to things. Also, there's no stores close by to walk to or a bike to. I mean, when I say not close to, there's one I think about a few miles away. If you want to walk a few miles, you can.
About 6-minute car ride to Rockland, which has a Walmart and other stores over there.
Yeah. But the good thing is, if you're looking for a campsite, which that's what we're looking for, this is a great place to stay.
Yeah.
So with that said, we will see you down the road.